In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your GoDaddy website. This tutorial is designed to walk you through the process step by step, so even if you're not tech-savvy, you'll find it straightforward and manageable. Let's dive right in. To start, head over to the GoDaddy website and log in with your account credentials. Ensure you have access to your account email, as you might need it to verify certain actions during this process. Once you're logged into your GoDaddy account, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You should see your initials displayed there. Click on your initials, and a drop-down menu should appear. From this menu, select Account Settings. This section is your main hub for all your GoDaddy account configurations. Next, look for the Renewals and Billing section. This is where all your products and domains linked to your GoDaddy account are listed. In this section, you'll have the option to select the products and domains you wish to cancel. Carefully check the corresponding boxes next to the items you no longer need. Once you've made your selections, click on Cancel Renewal. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm that you want to go ahead with these cancellations. Be aware that GoDaddy may require you to verify this action through an email, so keep an eye on your inbox. After you've taken care of your renewals and billing, return to the main dashboard. From here, glance to the left sidebar, where you'll find an option labeled Contact Preferences. Click on it to proceed. You will need to scroll down to the bottom of the page until you reach the section labeled Account. Click on this to view further options regarding your account. It's important to read through the entire Close Account message provided there. This message details the implications of closing your account, so make sure you fully understand it. If you're ready to move forward, locate the checkbox next to the statement, "I understand this action cannot be undone," and select it. Then click on Close Account. If you've successfully deleted all products associated with your account, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your account is closed. However, if there are still active products or domains linked to your account, GoDaddy will remind you to remove them first. In this case, you'll have to ensure everything is deleted or canceled, and then wait for a minimum of 24 hours before attempting to close your account again. And there you have it, a complete guide on how to delete your GoDaddy website. By following these steps, you'll have successfully navigated through GoDaddy's system to shut down your account. If you have further questions, feel free to revisit this video for any clarifications. Thanks for watching, and I hope this has been helpful.